Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is the fourth video in the series of books for beginners. Today, I am going to talk about a book by Caroline Keene, The Message in the Haunted House. This book is going to be a little bit difficult if you are a beginner of English language and you have just started reading English books. The story is little bit complex and the sentence structure will be a little bit confusing. So, what you will learn in this book, you will definitely love the main character of this novel, Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew is a detective by nature but not by profession. She is the daughter of a lawyer. She loves helping others. In this book, the story is Nancy is going to San Francisco with her housekeeper Hannah Gruen to help renovate the house of Rose Green. She is the friend of Hannah Gruen. The story revolves around the renovation of the mansion. When they go there, they find out that the house is in a mess. Anything they do goes wrong. For example, they fix a chandelier to the roof, but it falls to the ground immediately. And when they put wallpaper to the wall and turn off the tap and they leave the room, then they realize that someone had turned on the tap and everything is ruined. Nancy Drew observes these happenings and Rose Green concludes that there is a ghost in the mansion which is not going to let these people renovate the mansion, and the ghost wants to keep the mansion. And the legends say that there is a lot of gold under this mansion, and the ghost wants to keep that gold. But Nancy Drew, with her detective skills, concludes that there is no ghost, but someone else is doing these things to Rose Green and destroying all their progress they are making towards renovating the mansion. So, how does Nancy Grew finds out the culprit who damages the mansion, who wants to keep the gold for himself or herself? That is a mystery. You will love the story and you will love the way how Nancy Drew finds out that culprit and hands him out to the police. That is definitely going to be a hard read if you are a beginner of English language. But if you focus a little bit or read with attention, you will definitely love the story of the book and the mystery that revolves around the story and the places and the characters and their emotions will engage you with the book.